Hey boys and girls, welcome to our Google Classroom. Here we have on the left the updates and reminders. Here I will be posting what you should be doing, any reminders about your work, link to Mr. Carlos's music class, and here's the first icebreaker for Wednesday. To be added to the class, the Google Classroom, I have the class code, and I also sent you an email with the link and the class code because I added you here and I invited you. In the case that you did not get the invite, you got an email with the link and the class code so you can join the class. Okay. Here is where I'm going to put the remedial work or the Fun Friday trivia for you to complete. Let's click on this one. So this gives you the instruction for the assignment. And let me see if I could show you. Okay, so it gives you the instruction, and I also attached the app to the instruction. And I can see your work as well. So we're going back to the main page. And here, if you turn in your assignment or your remedial work that I gave for you to do, or a little trivia, or like the icebreaker, if you submit it, I will see and I will check it and return it back to you. Okay? So this is where the grades, if I will be grading anything here, I doubt it. But in the case that I do grade, I will be using this medium. That's the end of this presentation. I will see you soon. Bye.